Dalawang laro na lang para sa 6 na kupunan dito sa elimination round. 2 sa 6, tanggal na sa karera. Pero yung 4, nag-uunahan pa rin para mapabuti ang kanilang win-loss record. Ang HD Spikers sa pangunguna ng kanilang super imports sa sila Ariel Usher and Amanda Anderson ay naghahangad makaulit sa Lady Slammers na pinangungunahan naman ng kanilang equally good imports na sina Alexis Olgard at Bo Todorovic. Eyeing the top. Yan po ang aming storya sa hapong ito.
And I think, you know, you've got the skill, you've got the talent, you've got the height, but I think the main difference now is the ability of our imports to adjust to the Filipino system of volleyball. Kaya naman, nakakapag-adjust din sila sa personality ng teams nila, which makes the players comfortable.
There you go, our starting 6 para po sa Lady Slammers. Gumabaw, Dadang, Todorovic, Pablo, Olgard, Daud at ang kanilang libero, si Melissa Gohing. Of course, under Francis Vicente. Sa kabila naman kay Coach Sammy, we got Anderson Gallinero, Hingpit, Vivas, Usher, Laborde at si Jack Junela as the libero. Ito na, bakbakan na po ito. Eyeing the top ang aming storya. Ang mananalo dito, hindi pa naman na talagang number 1. Pero at least para dito sa final stages ng ating elimination round, sila ang mag-o-occupy ng number 1 spot.
Yes, sila yung unang-una. Kaya very important tong game na to because they both want to get that number 1 spot. Plus, ang Philips Gold, they want to redeem themselves from the first round loss against Signal.
Tayong dalawa yon.
Yes.
Mamaya may papakita tayo sa ating mga fans ilang mga numero on that fateful day nung October 13.
Yes.
Kung saan yung Signal kagagaling lang sa panalo. Pero yung Philips Gold naman, first game nila yun.
Yes.
We'll show that in a few. In the meantime, first dibs, Signal HD Spikers ang unang nabiyayaan ng service sa ating set number 1. Here we go. And working immediately is Alexis Olgard.
And you saw Alexis Olgard, yung ginawa niya doon, pinadaan niya yung bola niya kay Mick Laborde because she's the smaller of the blockers.
And kung iisipin mo, Mick Laborde on a regular day, pag walang mga import, tough defender yan at the net.
Oh, yeah. One of the best.
Meantime, action continues. Off the deflection. And tama ba, si Vivas yun, no? Yung pumalo doon, giving Signal their first point as well.
You know, sometimes Vivas told me na pag nagkakamali siya, nahihirapan siyang makalimutan yung mali niya. That's why ngayon, kailangan ang game plan niya to start out strong para sunod-sunod ang mga puntos na pwede niya mabigay sa Signal.
So bawal ang diesel engine.
Yes.
Para kay Vivas. And that would have, it's in, according to our line official there. And that's the second point of Alexis Olgard coming from another hit.
Yes, kasi naman itong si Daud, ang favorite set niya is to the middle. She wants to keep challenging the middle hitters because ito yung mahirap bantayan.
Daming pwedeng pagpulutan ng puntos itong Philips Gold.
Yes.
Meantime, on deck to serve Myla Pablo, it's 2 serving 1. Lamang po ang Lady Slammers. Atake dito ng Signal, Vivas pa rin. She went to the back, too easy there for Gohing. Meantime, wala pang palo itong si Todorovic. Usher. Balik sa Signal ang bola. He'll try again. Back to Usher. Oh, quick one there. Daud will set up Todorovic. And off the deflection, ang Philips Gold may 3 points na.
That was a good play there from Daud. Dinistribute niya yung sets niya. Didn't just concentrate on Olgard. Although that first set was given to her, pero since nasagot ng Signal, binigay niya kay Todorovic. Maraming ammunition si Daud.
Daming ang bala, no?
Oo.
Lamang dito ang Philips Gold, 3-1. At nakakuha ng pangalawang puntos dito ang Signal, courtesy of Ariel Usher.
You know, I asked Ariel Usher earlier, sabi ko, you know, double block ka, they're gonna triple block you, so what's your game plan? And she said, I don't know, it'll just come when I'm there.
Teka lang, dahil mong nakausap, kailan ka ba nandito? Kahapon pa yata eh.
Last week.
Binanggit mo yung Ariel Usher. Sinuklihan tayo ng service error. And that's a free point going to Philips Gold Lady Slammers. Lamang po sila ng dalawa. 4-2 dito sa ating first set. And serving for Philips Gold, Alexis Olgard. Signal on the attack. Soft touch there. Daud was there. Todorovic, great net defense by Signal, but that deflection will give the 5th point of Philips Gold.
That was a good set from Olgard. Ang ganda ng distance at height ng bola niya to Todorovic, that Todorovic was able to do something with it. A good hit there, a good play.
Olgard pa rin po ang magsaserve. It's 5 serving 2. Another good serve. Atake ng HC Spikers. Usher from the back. Lady Slammers, they go to Bo. Bo to open. That zone 6 was huge.
Yes. You know, I think sa sobrang bilis ng bola ni Todorovic, walang nagawa si Jack Janela. Ayan, she goes up, she goes over the blockers. Pinadaan niya yung bola niya kay Vivas because she's a smaller blocker and hence a point.
And I was about to say this is a good run by the Lady Slammers up until that service error by Alexis Olgard.
And you know, napansin ko, mabilis yung tempo ng game nila. No? So they're both really are hungry for a win.
Kung di ako nagkakamali, partner, ganito rin ang tono.
Nung kinover natin, no? Nung umpisa.
Noong una laro. So I'm sure gustong ibahin yan ng Lady Slammers. And that point will go to signal. Kahit sa angulo natin, kitang-kita naman na lalabas. But Coach Francis Vicente requesting for a video challenge. And we'll show it to you guys.
The challenge is block touch.
Oh, yun yung hinahamon ni Coach Francis. But if you look at the trajectory of the ball or the spin of the ball,
Yeah.
hindi siya nagbago.
Oo.
Am I right?
Let's see what the
We'll find out.
judgment is.
There you go.
Unsuccessful.
So that means ang Lady Slammers, may isa na lang silang challenge for the first set.
That's right.
Sapagkat nasunog na nila ang una nila sa dalawang challenge. So that point, we'll go to Signal HD Spikers. 4 serving 6. That's a good serve there. Galing kay Vivas yun. Meantime, hindi pinalad si Gallinero.
Alam mo kasi, in-expect ni Gallinero that the ball would go directly towards her since naka-square na siya sa position ni Todorovic. Kaya lang sumabit sa net, nag-roll yung bola sa net, na iba yung direksyon ng bola.
It's the captain, Michelle Gumabaw, serving for Phillips Gold, 7 serving 4. HD Spikers, they'll go to Gallinera. Almost scoring there, Todorovic. Great dig coming from Usher. Fritz Joy pa rin. Going to be a free ball here. Pagkakataon ng Signal, makapuntos muli. Anderson with a soft touch. Smart move by Dowd, pero maganda pagkakahabol dito ng Signal. Courtesy of Vivas. Dowd will set up. They go to Bo. Bo, power. Great dive by Gohing. Bo once more. Oh, the soft touch did it for Phillips Gold.
And I told you this game is gonna have long rallies.
8-4 ang ating score. Lamang po ang Lady Slammers dito sa unang set natin. Everyone's working, even their import Bo Todorovic. First technical timeout, set 1. We'll be right back.
Welcome back to the Philippine Superliga Grand Prix dito sa TV5. At this point in the tournament, it really doesn't matter para sa Signal kung sino ang eventual na makakatapat nila sa ating knockout semifinals. They just wanna focus on winning every single match. Pero para dito sa Phillips Gold, meron silang additional motivation para makuha ang panalo ngayon. As much as possible, gusto nila iwasan na makatapat ang Petron dahil ito ang koponan na may pinakamaraming championship experience, which is a huge factor when it comes to high-pressure games. Balik sa inyo, Checky at Checky.
Napakagandang report niya na Carla at gusto ko himayin natin ng konti muna dito at Cheeky P yung nireport ni Carla.
Yes.
Ang Signal, wala akong pakialam kahit sino makalabang ko sa next round. Pero ang Phillips, we don't want Petron. Your thoughts quickly.
Kasi ang Petron, ang dami rin nilang ammunition.
Aha.
Kagaya ng Phillips Gold. So if you want, ang semis, ang semi-final round, if you, 1 against 4,
That's
2
right.
against 3, knockout yun.
Oh.
So, if, di ba, bigger chance, malakas kasi talaga ang Petron, silang defending eh. So,
Okay.
gusto mo talaga iwasan yun.
Tingnan natin kung mapupunta sa way ito ng Phillips Gold. Meantime, Amanda Anderson saksakan na lakas yung palo doon at nakakuha ang signal ng kanilang pang-5 puntos. Pero lamang pa rin dito. Itong Phillips Gold. Another angle. Look at the power behind the hit.
Ang ganda nung set ni Hingpit para kay Anderson.
Si Amanda nag-serve para sa signal. Muntik na maging regalo para kay Lindsay Dowd. At ito na nga, may tumama sa net from signal. I think it's Fitzjoy. Gallinero, we'll find out. And that point will go dito sa Phillips Gold. Tama ba ako? Kahit buhok.
Oo.
Pag tumama, di ba?
Yes, oo. Kaya makikita mo yung mga imports natin, the way that they fix their hair, either naka-braid o yung ang daming lastiko. Kasi you wanna avoid that.
So lamang pala yung hair ko. Walang tatamaan dyan.
Lamang na lamang ka.
One more look here. Up to your point. Ayun.
There you go.
Ayun. So,
Yung
wala-
buhok.
mas maganda talaga ang short hair tulad namin ni Mike Salaman.
Magandang shampoo ni Gallinero. Ang ganda rin ng
Hindi
bagsak.
tatama sa net. 4-point lead for the Lady Slammers. They want to increase it to 5. Oh, great hit, but great net defense as well. Usher. And alam ni Melissa, nagkamali siya ng basa doon, and that point will go to Signal HD.
And I think it's because pumorma si Myla
Melissa.
Pablo.
Myra, oh.
To receive the ball. So, nag-control ng response si Melissa Gohey.
Ayun. 7 serving 10, Signal down by 3. And great net defense shown by the combo of Usher and Laborte, but it was Ariel Usher.
Yes. Ito si Laborte, one of the better blockers sa Philippines. At si Usher naman, well, obviously, she's very good at the net. So, good combination nga.
Athletic na, angkan pa, may lahat na kay Ariel Usher na.
Blue
Pablo, oh, to the back. And that one went out. Mapupunta sa Signal. Sayang yung palo ni Myla Pablo. Mga ilang, siguro, inches lang yan. Or not even more than an inch.
When I talked to her a while ago, sabi nga niya, pagod na pagod siya today because of schoolwork and training. But if you can see, ang lakas pa rin ng energy level niya kahit napagod.
Pagod ba yan? Ikapapalo lang, oh. Myla Pablo, of course, ang isa sa mga iniidolo
Yes.
ng mga sumusubaybay ng Philippine volleyball. Lamang po ang Phillips Gold, ang Lady Slammers ng 2, 11 serving 9.
Alam mo itong si Myla Pablo, she started playing volleyball at 10 years old. Tapos
Oh.
ang motto niya, pag naglaro, dapat walang pressure, kundi wala kang magagawa inside. Tama
Napakagandang
naman, di ba?
mindset ni Myla Pablo yan. Pero dito ang mindset ng Phillips Gold, makabawi sa Signal. At napapatalon tong partner ko sa aking tabi. Usher. She goes to the back. Oh, great dig coming from Bo. Pablo. Open space. That went wide. Yung kanyang cross-court hit.
Yung kamay kasi niya nakabukas, tapos yung direction ng shoulder niya, very wide yung angle. So, kailangan i-adjust niya para naka-face siya sa court.
Talagang i-angulo mo yung balikat mo.
Yes.
And at the same time, yung palo mo, you have to put that in an angle.
Yes.
Wag open-faced.
Correct.
Service error ang binigay dito ng Signal HD Spikers. At ang nagkamali, si April Hingpit. At 3-point yan sa Lady Slammers. Then si Dowd ang nag-serve. Signal on the attack. Oh, look at that hit coming from Ariel Usher. May diin, may dahilan.
At pag hindi mo nabantayan si Usher, nakakatakot talaga ang bola niya. So here, Bo is saying, in this replay, when she goes up for that hit, nakita mo si Usher, iba-iba yung bola niya eh. Merong open, merong back toss, kahit na, or back set, kahit na anong bigay mo, kaya niya. Pati rin naman itong si Olgard.
Bumawi, ano?
Oo, bawi agad.
Si Olgard, nung pumawi, partner nakasmile. Kanina, hindi lang napakita sa camera. Pero si Ariel Usher, nung pumalo, kagat labi. So alam mo yung may halong
Yes.
gigil eh.
Oo. Itong si Olgard learned how to dance the ballet when she was 2 years old.
Oh,
Pero
very
she quit
tall.
ballet because of sports.
Ba, antakin mo yan.
Yes.
Meantime, the captain down the line for Michelle Gumabaw. At ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Slammers, 3 na po, 14 laban sa 11.
Ang ganda rin naman ng hit ni Captain Michelle down the line. Nalito dun si Jack Junella kung inside ba yun or outside.
Myla Pablo nag-serve para sa Phillips Gold. And going down the line was Vivas. Pero hindi pinalad.
Oh, it was a bit wide. Parehong tactic. But there's a challenge.
Challenge si Coach Sammy. Ano kaya sa 7 challenges ang pinili niya? Or, sorry, we corrected. Net touch. According to our Barker.
Oh, kasi per challenge, isa lang yung pwede mong itawag eh.
Oo.
Hindi ka pwedeng magdoble.
Para po sa mga naninibago lang, meron tayong 7 iba't ibang uri ng video challenge. At pag sumenyas ng mga coach ng letter C sa ating referee, after that letter C, they have to give out the number.
Yes.
1 to 7. At ang sinabi ni Coach Sammy, pangatlo, net touch. We'll find out. Oh, clearly, dito sa aming,
Wala.
sa ating nakikita rather. So, unsuccessful ang net touch na gustong ipakorect ni Coach Sammy. So, that point will go to the Lady Slammers.
So pareho ng coaches -1 na sa challenge nila.
Tagisan na lang yan
Yes.
for set number 1. Myla Pablo pa rin po ang magsaserve sa Lady Slammers. Abante sila ng 4. And that's a soft touch from Ariel Asher. Parang nagulat sila, pati si Melissa Gohing. They're expecting a powerful hit.
That was a really smart move from Usher. Nakita niya walang tao dun sa zone 4. Kaya ang ganda nung pagkadala niya ng bola dun.
Ariel Asher serving for signal. They're down by 3. Bo Todorovic down the line. Zone 1. That was good. At 4 pa rin po ang abante rito ng Philips Gold Lady Slammer 16-12. Kami mapabalik. Dati ang kilalang na Asher, yung kumakanta eh. Yung
Oo.
artist. Pero dito sa mundo ng volleyball, nung unang pagtatagpo ng Signal at ng Philips Gold, ushering in the win. Itong Signal HD. They lost the first set, partner, to
Yes.
Philips Gold. Pero nasungkit ang pangalawa, pangatlo, at panglima, courtesy of Ariel Asher. Look at those numbers, partner.
Definitely 30 points. At hindi lang siya one time nagsa-30 points. Ha. Yung mga scores na binibigay ni Usher sa team niya, almost like every game, 20 plus points. Good outing.
Hindi lang yung partner, supporting Ariel Asher. We've been mentioning itong si Amanda Anderson, ang
Yes.
kanyang katuwang sa
Yes.
pagiging import dito sa Signal. Ito, pag-usapan muna natin ng mga nasagap ni Carla. Carla, what do you have there?
Coach Sammy Akailar believes that Signal has the advantage when it comes to reception as well as, interestingly, with floor defense as they are looking to Fritz Gallianero to step up and help Jack Junella. Sa panig ng Philips Gold, Coach Francis Vicente told me that he is confident in his team because they are a well-rounded group with a deep bench and that every single player is a fighter on the court. Balik sa inyo, Chiki at Chiki.
Napakahusay ng report na yan. Himayin natin dito, sabi ni Coach Sammy, reception ang kanilang bit-bit sa game na to. But so far, they're down here by 3 points. Pero according to Coach Francis, well-rounded ang team nila. Mukhang yan ang pinapakita nila sa set 1.
Alam mo, kung ang katuwang ni Jack Junella dito sa Signal sa floor defense is Gallianero,
Aha.
ang katulong naman dito ni Melissa Gohing ay si Bo Todorovic, who yun nga played as libero for a year or 2 in the States. So, maganda ang floor defense of both teams.
And on the dot, partner, pagkabanggit
Yes.
mo nung pangalang Bo Todorovic, nasa screens po ninyo, bumanat na naman ng down the line itong mahusay na mamamalong ito.
Ito nga si Bo, not only is she good in floor defense, ang galit, meron din siyang attacking both from the service zone tsaka sa attack line.
And that down the line hit by Bo Todorovic gave Philips Gold a 3-point lead, 17-14. Meantime, HC Spikers, they're trying to grow for form here in set number 1. Todorovic, easy ball lang yan, pero muntik pa makapuntos dito. And to the back, open zone 5, and that was a smart move coming from Fritz Joy.
Oh, easy lang, no? Binall over lang niya, kaya lang yung placing was at the corner of zone 5. Walang tao doon. Smart play.
All the action nandito sa may harapan.
Oo.
Nakalimutan nilang ito yung mga tight spots yan, pero pag na-target mo, sarap ng pakiramdam. Ace para kay Anderson. That's Amanda Anderson.
Amanda Anderson also loves to go scuba diving.
Wow,
Yes.
yung habang yan, ano?
Ah.
Very nice to hear about it, mga ibang hobbies ng ating mga imports. Signal only down by 1. 16-17. Bo. Oh, that hit. You know, there was a person in zone 6. Pero sa sobrang bilis at sobrang lakas ng palo, yung reaction, wala na eh.
Kasi ito, nung pumalo siya, late yung blockers ng Signal, na late si Mick Laborte. So there was a really big gap in between the two blockers. Kaya nakalusot yung bola niya. Sobrang lakas.
Si Anderson was there. But, wow.
Yes. It was just too fast and too strong.
Too fast and furious.
Yes.
Atake ni Bo. At the net, and man dapat celebrating that point. Pagkatira niya, sabi niya, huwag kang papasok. Huwag kang papasok.
At nasagot naman siya. Hindi nga pumasok.
To her delight, that ball went out. So it's 17 serving 18. It's Fritz Joy serving for Signal. Tuwa itong partner ko dito. Free ball ito, partner. Naku po, gone wild. Ang second ball ni Captain Michelle Gumabaw. So we are tied at 18.
You know, that was just an easy ball. The thing that Gumabaw should have done there, just put the ball up. Kasi 3 touches yan eh. Para may pag-asa yung kakampi mo to put it over.
Chance for Signal to take the lead, or rather, Phillips go to get the lead back here. Dowd will set up Todorovic. And she is in a zone.
You know,
Etong si Bo.
Yeah, Todorovic. Ano ba yun? Nabulol pa ako. Todorovic, when she's in front, ang sharp ng hits niya. Look at this. There goes that set. It's kind of low, but it's so perfect for her. She takes off from behind the line and gets a killer hit.
Dahil doon naman po dito ang Phillips goal ng isa. Asher, punta sa likod. Pagkakataon ng Lady Slammers, makakuha ng 2 puntos sa kalamangan. Hindi nangyari yan. Ooh! Buti na lang si Jack Junella nandun. Oh, great pancake there from Junella. Action continues. Pablo to the back. Ito naman si Jack. At the net. Great rally we're seeing here. Balik sa Signal. Asher. Oh, that set wasn't perfect. Pero no problem for Ario.
Kayang-kaya niyang gawa ng paraan kahit na anong set. But I was gonna say, medyo nagkakagulo ang offense ng Signal.
Oo, di ba?
Parang, oo, off position sila. They can't get back to the right position as fast as they should. Pero, because you've got skilled and talented hitters, and I'm specifically talking about Usher, she does something with those balls.
Parang ginawan lang ng paraan eh.
Oo.
Ni Ariel Asher.
Yes,
But a point is a point.
that's right.
And we are tied at 19. Mukhang uulit ang 5-setter dito. Pablo down the line. It's good. And she gives the lead back to the Lady Slammers, 20-19.
No, you wouldn't be able to guess what Myla Pablo does on her break time. Ask
Anong
me.
ginagawa?
Reads the Bible.
Aba,
Yes, and studies.
very religious itong si Myla Pablo. Pakinggan natin si Coach Sammy Akailan.
Ikaw dito sa down the line, naiintindihan ba? Okay na, nandito na yung malaki, di ba?
Yes po.
Okay, so iiwas mo, pwede siya pwede rito.
Ah.
Tapos
Okay lang coach, base si Ate Nick, running sa area.
Ayan,
Pwede lang ah.
okay, pwede. Okay
Mumay
na,
paano ah?
wait, ha?
Oo.
Kanina, girls, malayo ang score, hinabol natin.
Correct.
So, ibig sabihin yan, kaya natin habulin yan.
Dikit
Kunin
tayo,
natin
ah.
isang
Final
set.
stage, tara.
Yung motivation lang natin sa sarili sa loob ng court. Kailangan yung intensity natin masyadong mataas.
Enjoy na tayo, Ben.
Ha?
Tulungan tayo.
Intindihan?
Tulungan tayo.
Oh, I like what Coach Sammy said there, partner. Intensity, kinakailangan mataas yan.
Yes, kanina nga, sila yung humahabol sa puntos, nakahabol sila. So, ibig sabihin nun, therefore, I conclude, kaya nila.
Oo.
Diba? Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Sammy.
Huwag lang bibitaw.
Huwag lang bibitaw, tsaka keep the momentum up.
Pero ito ang ating isang mahusay dito na manlalaro, Lindsay Dowd. Serving for Phillips Gold. They're up by 1. 20-19. Sa likod, nandun na si Gohing. Pablo. Great net defense by Signal. Pablo once more. To the back, down the line. That has been the favorite target nitong Lady Slammers itong set 1.
And you know, that hit of Myla Pablo wasn't even that strong. It was placing. Zone 1 is a killer zone. So now, si Gallinero takes a seat and Wench Chu comes in to take her spot in Zone 1.
21-19 partner. Dalawa na ang abante dito ng Phillips Gold. And remember, first technical timeout, second technical timeout. Silang may kalamangan ng 4 dyan. Let's see kung mapapagpatuloy nila ito. And rarely do you see a poor reception coming from Wench Chu. Mahusay yan eh.
Yes, but you know, you also have to consider so balik na ngayon si Gallinero. Upo naman ulit si Wenshu. Ito kasing si Dowd has a killer serve and she's really known for that, to be scoring from the service zone. So Signal has to be down on the floor, be able to read it. There you go.
Almost another ace there kung di nasambot ng maganda-ganda yon. Meantime, Olgard. Balik ang bola Signal. Usher to the back. Oh, great dig by Gohing. Lindsay Dowd setting up Bo. Balik sa Signal. Deception play there, pero may sagot pa rin dito ang Lady Slammers. Pablo, powerful hit, great save. Free ball. Oh, that one was in.
That was a good target there by Mick Laborte. She really meant for that ball to hit the end line.
Kita mo, pati tayong mga broadcasters, napapatayo.
Oo nga.
Only because we know that the defense is in front.
Yes.
Ganda nung ginawa ni Laborte.
Yes, very smart move.
20 serving 22. That was Mick serving for Signal. Quick one there, pero hindi napagsamantalahan yan ng Lady Slammers. Usher, power. She'll try again. Ariel, off the deflection. That one was out. So makukuha ng Signal ang kanilang pang 21st point.
So Coach Francis Vicente calls for a timeout.
Oh, beautiful first set, partner. 22-21. Pakinggan natin si Coach Francis Vicente.
Okay? So watch. Tapos tingnan nyo yung drop ball. Okay, yung gilid-gilid, tingnan nyo ha. Medyo delay siya mag-approach, titigil, tapos saka siya tatalon. So, kailangan may timing kayo. Let's go. We have this. Let's go.
Now, kanina napakinggan natin si Coach Shami. Pinakinggan natin si Coach Francis. Alam mo, pareho yung tono. Very optimistic.
Very optimistic. Siyempre, because when you talk to your team, kailangan you are able to encourage and they're able to control their emotions.
Ah.
Otherwise, madadala yung team mo kung nagpapanik yung coach. And in that particular timeout, he just said, watch out for drop balls. You have to know your opponent, how they attack the ball. And Anderson or Usher, she takes time when she hits the ball.
Nagpo-post daw.
Nagpo-post siya.
Okay.
So, kailangan bantayan yun.
These are small things, pero kinakailangan may attention to detail ka.
That's right.
Pablo with that hit, the point actually goes to Phillips Cole, pero hindi na siya challenge. I thought I saw Coach Shami with that big C on his right hand.
I guess he changed his mind.
Hindi na, sabi niya. So lamang ng dalawa dito ang Lady Slammers, 23-21. It's Myla Pablo serving for Phillips Gold. HD Spikers and Anderson. Not the most beautiful quick ones,
Yes.
but effective nonetheless.
I think she really, it almost just grazed her fingers. Look at this. It's very, very soft touch, very controlled, and she wanted that ball to hit zone 6.
1 point separating both squads. Gumabaw. Pagkakataon ng Signal, makatabla rito. Depensa ng Phillips Gold. Mahusay off the deflection. At si Bo Todorovic nagbigay ng 2 puntos na kalamangan sa Phillips Gold.
Si Bo Todorovic doesn't just contribute in points in the front row and back row, but she also is the one who encourages the team. So yun yung energy level na kailangan ng Phillips Gold.
Set point ito, partner, para sa Lady Slammers. Anong sagot ng Signal? To the back, that one was wide. At malakas ang palo ni Vivas. Ang score po natin, first set 25 ang Phillips Gold, 22 ang Signal HD. Spiker set number 1 pa lang po yan, ang set 2 right after this break.